Hey guys, welcome back. Don here from Adventures This Way. I broke a front drive shaft, but it's really not my fault. Well, I guess it kind of is. Pulling an 850 uphill in snow is over the limit of the front drive shaft. We just got another dumping of fresh snow, and I definitely want to go out and ride this weekend. But I gotta change that drive shaft first, so I better get to it.
To start, we're going to remove the 3 nuts and bolts that hold the differential to the frame. Then we're going to remove the boot clamps. Then remove the broken pieces. Apply some grease to the splines.
Yeah, I'm gonna do multi-purpose grease. That stuff ought to be good enough for the Can Am.
But not too much. Reinstall the rear rubber boot. To install the new drive shaft, we're going to tilt the differential up, line up the splines, insert, tilt it back down, then slide it back into place.
And we got the 650 Outlander, Dave's unit. It's got the Yoshi on there. Hey Dave, how many clicks you got on this thing? How many kilometers you got on this thing? A little over 2,000, yeah, he's well used. This unit's a 21. Says you only got like 400 kilometers on it. That's got a healthy bark, eh? It's got the SLG storage box on there. It's got a nice wrap. Looks good. Project Toxin. Got the 32 Assassinators on there. We got the Sandy Beast. So you're saying the Renegade's 250? Yeah, 250. The Outlander's 300, yeah? They look nice. Any color combo you want, yeah? All right, let's get out there. Whoa! That was awesome. Oh, beauty day so far. The lads are coming. Oh, somebody's been through here at least once. There's a go across the creek and then it's up this hill. For a shot? We'll give her a shot. We're out here at a party. That's right, you're at a party. Can't get a little sketchy.
I've climbed this hill many times before, but never with the Renegade in the snow. If there's any ice lying underneath, it could get dicey.
That's not too bad. I know. No. Hey, I got some mud on my tire. Huh. Cool. Well, we can rip all the way down here. Do you want to go through the park? All right, let's go. What about the dirt on it? Oh, dirt on it? There, I got it. Thanks. All right, we're gonna blast our way down here. Oh.
As time moves on, playing outside with your buddies in the snow never gets old.
So you know where we are now? Yeah. The park's just over that way. That's fun. Yeah, the nice thing is there's not a lot of big rocks or anything in there. There's some ruts, but yeah, you'll find them. You're like, ooh.
I found them.
You found them, yeah.
No steering.
No.
Because the way these tires are, I get it.
Yeah, I know.
Got almost nothing.
You just sort of just hope for the best, right? Yeah.
Winter riding can be a challenge. You always got to be on your toes because you never know what lies ahead.
I got no brakes. I gotta stop, I gotta glide. You're a friggin' monster. Wanna go down there? Wanna go there or? Well, we could do a little commemorative to Bubs, and this is the spot where his machine died.
My bike just died.
It just died?
Yeah, it was like, man, I almost went over the bars. The bike will run now.
But then it's fine. It's fine. That's got a healthy bark, eh?
Hammering the throttle and blasting through deep snow is exhilarating, but sometimes taking a turn and exploring off the beaten path can be just as entertaining. I've been riding this area for several years, and I'm still amazed at how different it looks from season to season. Now that it's snowy and frozen, it feels safer. But at other times of the year, it's a danger zone. Big mud tires are required.
Back over there, where that little tree was across. You can't climb up that now. No, well, I can't. Oh, really? Can't go. Hey, this is when you gotta launch it. Crazy.
Well, 41 kilometers.
There you go.
Getting up there, G.
The first 50 is critical, I think. I don't know who they are, but
It's been an easy 50.
no, it hasn't been an easy 50. Right on. So what I was thinking, we just go down the road here a little bit, then we hang a right, go down the road allowance, and it really sucks that one other trail, it's really overgrown. I gotta go and cut it. I went down the other day. There's a couple big ruts there, eh? You were like, that was awesome, man. You were committed. You're like, I gotta go. Holy frick. Yeah, you lead a little. That was awesome. Super Dave. Super Dave. That was awesome.
No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 5.
Having fun is not always about horsepower. Click the video on the screen right now to see what I'm talking about.
Pick it up,